if those who buy in KLCI index link counter, there's something wrong, because you are not supposed to touch KLCI index link when market up very, very shortly. When do we buy again? We buy when everyone is selling. If you cannot discipline yourself in this way, then you can never be able to trade well. Alright, very, very difficult to trade because you are just following the whole crowd. Alright, so now I'm going to analyze a little bit more detail on a few of the very, very important index link counter. For example, like Tenaga. So our number one is Tenaga. Tenaga now is the top number one, alright, market in terms of market cap, alright, in KLCI, overtook Maybank last week. So if you last week or so, yeah, 2 weeks ago. So this is Tenaga. Can you see this? So whoever bought Tenaga in the morning, I salute you. Alright, so because you do not know stock market, alright, Tenaga is a very good counter. I agree that Tenaga is a very, very good counter for this year especially. And this year Tenaga will benefit from many, many factors. Alright, so I personally suggest that if you can hold, alright, so you buy the hold. But if you have Tenaga today morning, it's a definite sell. Definite. You sell already, you buy back in the 4:30, you buy back, but cannot. Right? If you cannot do that, again, you are not a trader, then you just hold on Tenaga. Right? Tenaga is a very, very good chart. You see the chart? Alright? Alright? So there are a lot of factors in 2015 will benefit Tenaga. What is the factor? I don't know. I'm not an analyst. Alright? So I can just say that this is a very bad candlestick. Very bad. Alright? It hit, see the high? It's hit almost $17. That's 16.96. But it closed at 14.64. It hit high at 16.96. 16.96, almost 17, but it closed down back to 14.64, which is considered as a very bad candle. So Tenaga should come down in this 1-2 days. TM. I show you all the candlesticks, and you will not believe that somebody is buying, right? But those who are funds are buying. Those foreign funds are buying in the morning, all right? I believe that some big funds are buying because the volume is quite huge. But the lunch time is around 1.5 billion already. Right? So by the time lunch close, I think it's 1.35 billion. So the volume is very, very huge. Take a look at TM. TM, he hit 7.5. This 7.5 is my resistance for TM. He hit 7.5, but in fact, it hit all the way to 7.6. So when it hit to 7.6, but it closed around $7. All right, so with that percentage, it's of about 10%. Right? So if you bought it in the morning, you lose money some more. How can you buy TM in the morning at 7.5? 7.5 is a resistance. So if it's a resistance you are buying in the morning, and because of the craziness which I mentioned just now, again, it is about time for you to change your brain. Your brain has something wrong with it that you do not know about stock market. Alright, so I want to emphasize on this, especially for those not in my stopwatch group. Tonight, I open it to the public. I'm not sure. There are very few public. Well, will be coming anyway. Alright, but those in my group one, they should know that today morning is a sell. Sell. I'm a contrarian. Whatever you like, I don't like. Alright, and you look at the chart will straight to you. It's 7.5 is a sell. But if you got caught in 7.5, again, it's about time for you to change. TM, again, you look at the chart, very beautiful charts. Okay, a very, very nice chart. So it is, well, defensive in nature, good dividend, not so good, like 3.4% dividend now. Alright, so but you can still actually hold on to TM, right? If you get caught, I think it's still okay. Alright, I'm going to show you Genting Malaysia, which I asked everyone to buy at 3.9. This is Genting Malaysia. We don't buy it, it's like that. We buy here, we buy at 3.9, 3.8, 3.9, okay? So if you bought at 3.9, if you're still holding, today morning is definite sell, definite. No need brainer. These are the things that timer. These are the time where I will use the word no brainer. You don't need brainer. You don't have to use brain at all much. You don't have the technical. You just sell in the morning, nothing much. You do nothing, you just sell, you just queue. You are very busy. Early in the morning itself, 6 o'clock, wake up. Queues to sell every stocks of yours, and it's done. It's done. All right. So you see, the whole thing here is that about trading is that you need to take position. Once you take a position, you are in the exposed to risk. You have to take the profit. If you didn't take profit, this Genting Malaysia will come back down to $4. Why I say so? Because this is a gap here. You must close the gap here. All right. So you come back down to $4 or below $4. So if you have bought in the morning, is again something is very, very wrong with your brain. Yeah, change that. All right, so Genting Malaysia is a sell, TM is a sell, Tenaga is a sell. Let's take a look at Maybank, which only hit my $9. Okay, so $9 is Maybank didn't have that kind of jump. All right, Maybank didn't show that kind of jump. This is another very big heavyweight. So if you look into this blue color line, this blue color line is actually the 50 MA. So recently it hit the 50 MA, which I asked Ariel to sell. Right, today it hit another 50 MA. So this is again testing the resistance of 50 MA. So Maybank is still okay. It's not really that kind of a sharp like the three I mentioned just now. Let's take a look at my Petronas Dagang, Petronas Gas. I'm talking about all the candlesticks so that you understand that this candlestick all showing is reversal. Right, now this is a, can you see the doji here? This is a Petronas Dagang, gap up, yeah, with the doji. Yeah? So RSI is 69 RSI. So what does it mean? Sell like crazy, man. When do I bought? I bought here. I bought it when you do not want it. And the RSI said about 9, 10. Right? Today, if you still have a Petronas Dagang, it's a sell, definite. Again, today is a day where I do not need to use brain. It's good because you don't have to overstretch your brain. Just sell, right? No, so but when you buy, this is again another no-brainer of buying, which I shown in my group, right? No need brain on a lot of things. Let's take a look at Petronas Gas, which I never trade. I traded Petronas Dagang. This is Petronas Gas, which is very much heavier, okay? And it didn't come down like Petronas Dagang, right? But you can see today this morning also is gap up. See, gap up, it shoot up to $23, right? Around 23, yeah, hit 23 in fact, but it closed at 22. So this is not much of a significant movement. Take a look at Sandabi. Right, this is Sime. Sime is at the new high, just for information, right? So this is also hit a new high. See, no much of this one except for a gap. KLK also no movement. Right? KLK is also flat. All right, no movement. So you try to check on all the counter. Oh yeah, how can I forget SK Petrol? SK Petrol is the most actively traded counter in the KLCI. So you see the candlestick again is not good. It is gap up. It gap up like that. So this is called resistance. This is a resistance. So the resistance is around $3. Somebody want to sell at $3. All right. But it had be 283, 284, 285 around there will be a selling point. All right. So my view in KLCI, back to KLCI, just now we mentioned. Right, it's very simple. It's very simple. With the Tenaga, it's going to come down. With Genting Malaysia, it's going to come down. With TM, ridiculous. TM is going to come down. All right, so Tenaga is one more ridiculous. With the Petronas Dagang, is also going to come down. Right, SK Petrol going to come down. So you try to imagine that. Oh, I forgot my Petchem. Let's take a look at Petchem. Petchem is much more nicer. All right. See this? Petchem. This is a 50 MA, the yellow color line. All right. So Petchem is much more nicer, but it is still going to come down. Right, short term. So with all the KLCI index link counters are not looking good. So we expect a correction tomorrow. If not, Friday. All right. So I didn't check Public Bank. This is Public Bank. Let's take a look at the top winner. So the top gainer is SK Petrol. Top gainer in terms of percentage, of course. SK Petrol went up 5%. All right. It went up again. It hit 5.9 some, 2.9 something. Yeah. Petchem, right? CIMB, Genting Malaysia. Genting Malaysia went up to 4.3. Yeah, all the way to 4.3. So it closed at 4.17. All right, okay. So BAT is very lacking, no volume. So, but the heavy one is Maybank. Okay, then we go to top loser. So if you go to top loser, you see FGV. FGV have been going up quite substantial. So not surprising. But the one that is disappointing is TM. Because TM went up all the way to 7.6. All right. So what you do here is that you click on the trackers. All right, you can click on the trackers, so you can see the buy and the sell. So in the morning itself, So this is a morning, 7 point something for TM. It hit 7 point something, 7.3 something, went up all the way to 7.5 something, and come down. All right, so you can check on the volumes and so on the buy and sell. All right. Okay, yeah, so you do your own homework, but in general, the view of it means that KLCI should come down due to the gap. Yeah, due to the gap on in the morning. Okay, any question on KLCI, or did I miss out any KLCI index link counter that need to be discussed? Right, CMB. Yeah, I forgot my CMB. I was hoping for CMB for a long time. Yeah, CMB. I missed the CMB. All right, because I want it at 5.2 very much. All right, so it hit 5.4, nothing much. So there's not much of a significant jump. So the technically speaking, CMB is very nice, right? Because 560 is the support. Oh, sorry, the resistance. It breaks the 560. It closes at 565. All right, equals like that. But I don't like to buy when market is very bullish. I only buy when bullish means that things must come down. Come down like not going up or liking. Okay. Yeah, this one is very nice. 20 MA is it? Let me take a look at 20 MA. Yeah. The 5.6 is a very strong resistance and is broken today. All right. The volume is not so significant. If it's not so significant, just means that because due to the market sentiment is good, right? So everyone might be buying, but no funds are supporting and buying. But the one that is very high volume is SK Petrol, yeah, SK Petrol. So maybe foreign funds are buying into it. I'm not very sure. All right. What I want to advise is that everyone is that take profit in this 1-2 days, right? This 1-2 days, if it's whatever they can. MBSP I saw I queued straight away because I told everyone to sell at 2.15. So it hit 2.15, it was done. What's it close? 214. No, I don't buy machine. Pankaj. Hi, welcome to my trading discussion here. Today I'm discussing about two important things. One is the KLCI index. Number two, I'm going to discuss a bit about oil and gas. All right. And of course, I discuss about stocks that I buy. No, sorry, I do not trade KTB. You are the 5th person asking me about KTB in 2 weeks. 5th person. I do not buy machine. I do not trade counters like KTB. Okay? And you are the 5th person. The more I sense it, meaning to say that a lot of retailers go into KTB. Some of them, I ask them what is a KTB, they do not know what is KTB. I hope you know what is KTB. Do you know what is KTB counter? Right? You know their business, right? Do you know their fundamental or not? Are you sure? They are speculating that because oil come down, I repeat because of oil come down, it will help the logistic. So they look at TN Logistics and so on. They say therefore KTB will be benefit from the low oil. Now oil go up already right now. KTB should come down. Ask yourself these type of simple questions. Very simple, basic common sense kind of simple. Otherwise, don't buy. Warren Buffett have said one very important thing: do not buy whatever you do not know. Perhaps Padini is much better. Padini today came down. Padini is in one of my top users. But never touch KTB. I do not want to analyze, but I'm just trying to explain to you that you are the 5th person to tell me about KTB. There is a news out there, which I didn't check. There must be a news out there in the forums or in the Facebook Stockwatch group or in some of the so-called experts, some analysts or some anyone. I use what anyone. All right, doesn't matter. All right, who actually want to push up the KTB. They want to push. They want to push means they want to sell to public. So when they want to sell to public, they must push to all the news out to everyone, so that everyone know. Now I am very convinced already. You today, because you are the 5th person in 2 weeks. I'm very convinced that KTB is very well spread around, which I'm not aware of. Why do I not aware of? Because I'm a trader, I'm not a punter. Very different. I don't follow people. People follow me. Okay, people follow me. Correct. I do not know why milk industry have to do with perhaps, right, to do with the divorce. I read about divorce, but I didn't read about the assets. Yeah, if you are trading and you look at the profit with the black, not so good candle, what do? Sell. Taking decision is very important. But I'm just generally speaking to those public around. Please do not buy KTB because you don't understand what you're buying. You don't even bother to analyze. No need to bother to analyze. No need to analyze on this type of stocks. You don't have to analyze. You just pump. We call it pump. Pump it up already. You better sell. All right, before they dump. Once they dump already, of course, it might be game over. All right. So the whole thing about trading is that taking the kind of risk, whether it is worth taking or not. All right. But to take the risk that we do not know what you're doing. Do not know what you're doing means that you don't even know what KTB is about, and you do not even know technical part of it. It means you're taking a very extreme risk, which I think is very unnecessary for trading. So if you are talking about taking risk, all right, trading itself is a very risky kind of event. So if you are going to take KTB and not knowing the fundamental and technical, I'm very sorry that you in long run, you're definitely going to lose more money. 100% confirmed. It's confirmed. I got few hundreds of them following me. So I can tell you again, right? You're going to lose a lot of money with Sumatec, in PTZ or whatever Z. Right? You must make sure that you know what you're doing. Even buying Tenaga today also can lose money. See? Today, tomorrow, this morning, you go and buy Tenaga, also can lose money, right? You can lose up to 10% if you buy TM in the morning. TM, Tenaga Malaysia. Telecom, this Tenaga, Telecom Malaysia, right? So, I do not know what KTB stand for. Of course, I joke. Actually, I know. All right, never mind. Where am I, really? Okay, so I bought Carex. I tell you what I bought. See, I bought Carex. Beautiful. See the chart? Nice. And I bought Carex, right? Because all the guys need to use. Right? Because of the rubber, because of the ringgit, the Malaysia, US dollar, right? Because of my chart, beautiful chart. You know what I mean? All right. So this is what we do. Right? We are traders. Traders look at factors that are affecting the counter and so on. KTB are not for traders. I don't know. I queued 420 this morning. 420. Then I asked the group to kick the queue to sell 418. All right. Some of them bought cheaper than me. All right. Our entry price is 38 something. So don't know. Right? But I do know a few things. I do know that Harta is going to come down. Right? Today come down. In the bullish of the market, that fella come down. And that one I do know. I'm not the god. My chart telling me it's going to come down. I do know that Hub Sing is going to come down. Today in the bullish of the market, that fella going to shoot up. Oops, see my Hub Sing. Okay. Right? Tomorrow Hub Sing will come down. I do know, let me see, latitude. Latitude should come down. Let me see. I did check latitude. There, latitude come down. That one I do know. No need magic. No magic. Just common sense. Brain. Use brain. So that is the difference between a trader and a punter. Right? Now, let me take a look at Massing. Why everyone is interested in Massing? Oh, Massing got OR. Massing got OR. Why got Massing got OR? Anyone can explain to me? I didn't check. Massing is trading OR. Oh, this Hub Sing is nice, man. Not Hub Sing, sorry. Massing is nice. Right? It's just that unfortunately it's in property, which I don't like. Tambun, 19 something, I think 18 something. Hit $2 the other day. Let me take a look. This is nice. This is nice. 190 Massing. Okay, thank you for informing me about Massing. But Massing was trading OR. Can explain to me why first? Otherwise, I have to do homework. Very lazy. Today is a 5th day. Yeah. OR, ordinary rights. Got right issue. Massing got right issue. Anyone aware of Massing? If you talk about Massing, you have to know why. So why they got wow, right? Because I saw the Massing got OR is traded. Yeah. Is there a right issue? Can you explain? Is there a right issue for Massing? Oh, 10 for 3. Thanks, Yong. Yeah, that's what I want to know. 10 for 3. Yeah. People don't like right issue, of course. Massing right issue. IOI property right issue. Is it the RI property? Oh, I see. This bell is what? 3 rights for 10. I see. The price is 1.42. So buy 1.42. IOI property. I'm still waiting for 1.9. All right. This is now trading at 2.0 something. Okay, 1.9. Okay. Wait. I diversify. I stray away from my main topic already. Okay, my main topic is still, right? The next one is talking about oil and gas. All right, oil and gas counters, of course. Oil and gas counters. So just now I showed petchem. Just now I showed SK Petrol. All right, let's take a look at the smaller one. Smaller one. Armada is not small. It's just that it is not traded in the. It's not in that link. I should say that it's been taken out. All right. No, I don't trade KMN. KMN no need chart one. KMN, what you need is just fund, just buy and then close and then pray. Pray hard, and then maybe tomorrow it go up, so you sell. If it come down, then you cry a bit, then you just sell. Right, that's all. That's how I trade KMN. I'm not joking. That's how you should trade KMN. No need chart, right? So you hope that oil continue to go up, rebound tomorrow, right? Now, this is Armada. I'm more interested with Armada. Yeah. So Armada, I didn't get 120. I canceled my queue. The last time I saw is at 129 here, 130. So it hit 129. I think. This morning. The high is 128. Sorry. It hit 128. This 128 is here. Can you see the gap here? This gap here is actually the resistance. So the 128 is a sell. Alright, but since I didn't get 120, I didn't chase. So if this again candlestick is not good, so what should we do? Wait for what? Wait for it to come back down to 121, 1 something. Alright, I would like it to have it at 115. So you wait for 115 for Armada. I want to check one more. There is there's one more. I guess my Yinsen. Yeah, Yinsen, sorry. Yeah, I forgot Yinsen. Right? So Yinsen, technically speaking, it's also not good, alright, because this is the dodgy. But it's at least it's above 20 MA. So nothing much because there's no volume to support it. If you say about it going up, it's because of the market sentiment. So when market sentiment is up, most of the stocks are going up anyway. Alright, but Yinsen is certainly lagging behind all the oil and gas that is moving. Recently, Yinsen is in the focus again in the Edge. I think the Edge paper is at the Edge of the Star. All right, about their 3 point something billion dollars. Is it 2 point something or 3 point something? You see, I don't read in details and so on. You all read all you want. I just trade what I read and then see what it is needed. All right, then you buy. That's all. All right, because okay, Perisai. Perisai sounds much better than KTB. Yeah. So I'm sorry if you feel offended. All right, I didn't have anything against KTB. Right. Now this is Perisai. Yeah. So Perisai basically again it hit the resistance for a third time. Can you see it hit over here? It hit over here. It hit over here. This is resistance. If you are in position, what you do? Sell, of course. Yeah. I don't know. CIB target is very high. Very high. Okay. So now this is oil and gas. Now everyone is asking one very important question is that is the rebound in the crude oil price is sustainable? Then they start to speculate because OPEC or the Arab countries say that it's going to go up 200 $200. All right, one moment is down, one moment up. Then they even speculate it's because of Arab and Russian, they pakat, you know, so therefore the oil go up. You see, the problem with me is that I do not read all the details and so on. I don't even care because my is that I cannot control what Arab going to do. I trade what I see. My eyes telling me Bursa is a sell, so I sell. Right? Amada is a sell. Wait for 115. Wait now. Do nothing. So that we do not much nothing and so on. So you trade what you see. What you cannot predict. You cannot predict oil go up or go down. At the moment, yeah, it's going down. So whether it's going to retrace, I don't know. But you look into Ringgit Malaysia. Yeah? Ringgit Malaysia now is at 3.6 plus. Yeah? So KLCI will do well. Those are growth counter will do well. Those are overbought one like KLCI and so on is about time to sell also. So try to sell when it's a reversal or maybe perhaps 4.2, 4.23. I think it will be very, very good price. So we need to take out of a profit. Otherwise, it will come down. It will come down like top glove also coming down today. Right? All right. This is top glove. Okay. So technically, it's already telling you it's good. I'm going to come down. It's telling you as see all the indicator is there. So if you do not know how to read, of course, or you don't even know what top glove is doing, right? What can I do? All right? Yeah, I'm still holding home race. In fact, I want to collect at 90. Today I queue what price? 93 cents. 92.5 or 93. Supermax are nothing much. Supermax is also telling you I am going to come down very soon. Okay, that's all. Home race. Alarm. Yeah, let's talk about oil and gas. Let's stick to oil and gas first. Oh. I have to tell everyone is that in my mind it's like that. So if the oil, when oil was very, very bearish at that time, I like oil and gas so much. If you are in my group, you know that I buy all oil and gas counter, I got 4 oil and gas counter in my hand. I buy huge. I bought Petchem, I bought SK Petrol, I bought Amata at $1 at the time. Today you ask me, I bought SK Petrol at 2.4 something. Today is about $3. You ask me to buy outside, I'm so reluctant. Take a look at Alam. Alam I bought here, here. I bought here. Here. Right? I bought at 16 in December. It was a Tuesday. So you see, the whole thing is that now today you ask me Alam, I do not know how to say. I can only say that this is called gap up, hitting resistance. In my dictionary is sell. No need to see, sell, because I'm a trader. All right, it may go up higher, it may come down lower. I don't know. I don't know. I just want to see is that if we gap up with volume, hit resistance is a sell. That is called trading system. Trading system, no guessing one. No guessing. I think you go up higher. You guess all you want. All right. So this is Alam. To me, Alam is a sell. Bursa is a sell. What else? Oil and gas. Oh, I just talked about instant just now. This is Baraka. Baraka is also. I say do not talk about KTB. This is a 6% asking me about KTB again. All right. KTB is buy and pray. After pray, it go up. Be happy. Whoever recommend you buy KTB, say that person is a very good. That fella is a very good seafood. If the person, if the stock go down, then you go and curse the person and curse your luck. No luck lah. You what to do? Yeah. Whoever, I'm very sorry. Daya do not touch. Yeah. Banana is not really oil and gas, but banana is vessels count. This one. So banana is gap up like that. Can you get up? Can you see gap up with my resistance here? Right? So it's a sell. I'm a trader. I have to explain to people I'm a trader. I do not know how to explain. I explained so many times. I think only my stopwatch group people who know me long enough understand what is a trader. A trader is a person who buy due to some system. Their trading system, we call it trading system, and then Basically, very disciplined, following the training system for buying and selling. No second guess. I think it go up higher. You think until all you want. All right? That is trader. Speculator is different. Speculator is the one that I think will go up higher and so on. I heard from rumor that is speculator. They speculate. Right? Traders are speculators, but they trade according to the system. That's all. All right? That's very different. It's totally different. Please do not equate me with the speculators, or I'm quite upset if you equate me as a gambler. Right? Because I do not like gambling. I do not like what I like. I do not like go crazy go. Right? All right. Okay. Perdana, yeah, Perdana is a sell. Right? A lot of sales. A lot of sales. As I said, these two trades, if you are not in position, please do not take. But if you are in position, then you can take a look at, like, for example, I'm in position in Carex, Vincent. So I would like to sell my Carex. And if possible, I want to sell my Vincent. Alright, the word is sell, meaning to say that it can be a loss, it can be a profit. It's okay with me. Loss also okay, profit also okay, because I cannot predict. See? Alright, all my technical saying that I'm going to sell at $3. $2.99, $2.99, $3 is sell. Oh yeah. I bought Pesta Riang today. Okay, this Pesta Riang, nice. I'm not sure whether it's nice or not. All I know is that this is the very low risk kind of entry, and it came back down after in the morning. It went up, so it came back down, which is nice. Sell tomorrow, 198. See my 198 here. Okay. You see, I do not guess one. Just sell. Tomorrow you hit 198, I'll sell. I'll be very happy to sell if I can hit 198. After all, my average is 186. Right? Okay. Can? Yeah. This is called divergence. Sell 215. 215 is the resistance. MBSP, I already told everyone, is at 215, right? I want to show MACD divergence. Right? This is called MACD divergence. So MACD divergence, when they go up and then MACD come down, what does it mean? It means that it hit 198 already, it will come down. And that I'm trying to tell you again, everyone, those who, especially those who are not in my stopwatch in public one, please understand I'm a trader. Trader look at charts, look at theories, and then apply. Of course, I'm an informed trader. I know what is going on in Pesta Riang. Alright, I know why it could get up, right? Simply because of one Microsoft news gave up. Alright? Okay. So I think that is all for today. Any more KLCI index link? I was only interested with KLCI index link and oil and gas. Right? Other than that, we will discuss in our stopwatch. Alright? No? Okay, so those who are buying KTV, I wish you all the best. Alright? I hope that you really profit very well in the KTV trade. Thank you. Bye-bye.